Good day, guys. Mike is here. Into this episode, I wanna reveal the hidden secret on how to wire these power outlets and power switch without any proper tools by using this screwdriver. Okay, guys, we're gonna start. This one is a solid wire, gauge number 12. So this is the hidden secret of this outlet. You see this one, guys? This one is rated 12 gauge. This one 14 gauge. First, we're gonna strips all these three line. So make it sure, guys, this one you can measure to this one approximately 1 inches from this area. Then you put inside, you press, see that one, guys. Then you turn around, you twist, and you pull. Make it straight. The other one, same thing, measure, approximate 1 inches, strip inside, twist like that, like that, and strip. And the other one, same, approximate 1 inches, put it inside this, and you twist, then strip. This is the purpose, guys. The stripper itself of the outlet. Now for the wiring connection, we're gonna do this one, the green one, white, and the hot one. First, the green one to be like this, put inside this one like this, you hold, do it. Turn, turn, turn. That. Then tighten the screwdriver. The white one, same procedure. You see this one, little spiky here, this one, turn like that, facing like this, that, and this side, that, position right there, hold, twist, twist like that, then make it straight like this, give some pressure, then tighten. Guys, turn around, then the hot one, the black one, facing right there, put again in the corner, see like that, hold, turn around, turn like that. As you can see, guys,